Hi guys, welcome to another video. I am so excited. It has arrived. This bag is so amazing. Honestly, I am so excited. I've waited quite a while for this because I thought I'd missed it and then it suddenly appeared. And I could not act fast enough to get my hands on it. So it has been shipped from Paris to London to me. It's not pre-loved, it is from Louis Vuitton. What is it? Oh, let's get into it. I cannot wait to show you. So this bag, honestly, this is one of the most special bags I have now in my collection, and it's one of the most special bags I think I'll ever have. It is so anyway, let's get into it. I could not get down to London to pick this up, so I got my gorgeous SA James to send this up to me. It has just arrived. I've literally run upstairs, slapped some makeup on so I can get this unboxed. So anyway, it came completely security sealed. It came in nearly an armoured vehicle. It was really funny, but it was very, very special. So thank you to James for arranging that. So let's get into it. It is a big box. Try not to knock everything open. So let's get into this box. So you can see it comes in this really big box, and you can see the porter. Oh, I love that. Oh, knocking everything over. It is so massive. I am back. So this is the box, and let's just have a look at this. It is absolutely, it's not the biggest bag in the world, but it is a very big box, I have to say. So I'm just going to try not to knock the camera over. I'm just trying to get into this because why do I get so nervous about unboxing a bag? It's crazy, isn't it? But anyway, here it is. So the ribbon is off, and in the box we've got some tissue paper, we've got a note which I will read in a second. Does this give it away? Does anybody know what this dust bag is? I'm trying to show this on the screen. So we have some beautiful tissue paper, which we don't always get, which is very, very nice. And also in the box, which I will come on to, but there are a couple of little things to open. So I know you just want to see the bag. I know. So we'll do the bag and then we'll talk about it. So let's just put this down. So this is the dust bag. So does this mean anything to anybody? Does anybody know what this dust bag represents? Does the colour give it away? What do we think, guys? Oh, it's so exciting. Let's just get into it. So here is the dust bag. Oh, this is just insane. Oh my goodness. Let's just take a second. Is it what you thought? Have I gone insane? As a luxury lover, as a Louis Vuitton lover, did I have to get one of these? Probably. Oh, so let me introduce to you. This is the Speedy 25, and it is in the, honestly, the gorgeous leather. So this is one of the Pharrell Williams, the Speedy P9. And I got the gorgeous aqua turquoise colour. So let me just show you. Honestly, the leather, oh, it's just insane. Absolutely insanely beautiful. I'm just speechless. So it comes with the treated vachetta leather, and I'm just in love with it. I just think this colour is just so beautiful, and the leather. Anyway, let's get into it. Inside is a little dust bag. Also inside is a little, I suppose this is like a little clochette. Inside is something else. And then we have, I don't know if I was more excited about this than anything else, it comes with its own Louis Vuitton pillow. That's just, oh. So what does this say? It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Just the details, people, just the details. And also it comes with this crossbody strap that's got a little bit of extra leather on there, so we'll come on to that as well. So inside, so there is these tend to be happening now, so the SKUs for these are actually attached now, so that is new. And then inside is the most stunningly soft leather you will ever feel in your life. It's just, oh, it's just beautiful. And then there is, I'm trying to get this so you can actually see it, there is a plaque inside. I don't know, is that coming up? If not, I will do some cutaways, but there is a plaque inside that says Speedy 25. The sun is shining on us. This is what it says. Let me try and show that to you. Hopefully that's coming up. Oh, this leather is just, honestly, it is it's just, you can see how soft it is. It's literally so soft. Inside there is a zipper compartment with a beautiful buttery smooth zipper, and then it is like all the other Speedies where it's got the D-rings, although it doesn't have the bandolier that goes right down the side. It has the D-rings just on here and on here, and this is where you can attach. I'm so sorry, I've been ill for about 2 and a bit weeks now, but I am ploughing on, so excuse, so apologies for my my throat. But this is where you can put the padlock on, which I will come to. It's got a very beautiful zipper, which I believe it zips like this, and then you can put this, I think that then goes onto there, and that's how you padlock it together, should you so desire. And this is it, this is the Speedy P9, and I just think it is absolutely so stunning. So let's have a look at what comes with it. So it comes with a shoulder strap that has this extra leather piece on it, and obviously it's detachable. And it is also, there's a lot of holes there, so it is adjustable. And there you can see it's still all got the stickers on there. But that does say Louis Vuitton on it. So that is, and it feels quite weighty, I'm not going to lie, that feels very sturdy and quite chunky, which is really, really nice. Also, that comes with this, you get, which I didn't realise until I think I saw, was it on Amelia's? I think it was on Amelia's unboxing of her Speedy. You also get this pouch that comes with it, which I just think is absolutely gorgeous. So again, it's got the zipper pull here, and then inside, so it has the clasp here, which is quite chunky. The whole thing is a lot chunkier than the key clay, for example, and inside it's got the gorgeous leather, this gorgeous leather that again says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. I don't know if that, hopefully that is coming up, but again it's made from the same beautiful leather. And this could be a really nice pouch for inside the bag, or I suppose you could have it as a charm on the outside of your bag. I'm sure that you could do that. Inside, I think there is, yeah, inside here where it does say here Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, there's also a little D-ring here. I don't know if that's coming up. It's a D-ring here, so I think that is where you attach this, so you can find it at all times, and I just think that is so lovely. You also get the clochette, and also, let's just find this, you also get this little dust bag, which is so cute. And inside, what have we got in here? In here there's a little box, and in the box I assume, yeah, so in here are the keys and the padlock. So that comes with it. So again, you can put that on the end of here. Anyway, I need to figure out how to do this clochette because I have no idea. I assume that the keys go onto the bottom bit and then they live in here, and then this can be actually attached to your bag. Anyway, so let me show you what else was in the box. So we have quite a few tester of the perfumes here. So we've got Stella Times, we've got Attrape Rêveuse, we've got another Attrape Rêveuse. What's this one? Stella Times, Imagination, and Imagination. So there's a selection there. Now I don't know Imagination, so that is going to be one to test. So thank you to James for including that, but also, bless him, he also included this, and this is a gift, a Christmas gift. And honestly, I was absolutely blown away by this. So you open it up, and inside was this dust bag, and inside the dust bag is this. Honestly, I am blown away. Thank you so much to James and the team at New Bond Street, because you're just amazing, honestly. So this is the round coin purse. I've never had one of these. I've never had one. But then when I opened it up, it doesn't stop there. Inside here, hopefully that's showing up. I don't know if that is showing up or not in my lights, but it is a bronzer from Guerlain. And it is just, you can see there. So it's a bronzer, terracotta bronzer by Guerlain. So bless him. Honestly, I was just so blown away, because yeah, he didn't need to do that, but I'm very, very appreciative. So thank you, James, honestly. So guys, what do we think? I'm going to do a proper full first impression of this and what fits and things like that in another video, because I just wanted to get this unboxed, because I just absolutely love it. I'll tell you a little bit about the backstory of this. So when the P9s came out, I was super interested, but there was a couple of things that put me off. The first thing was the price. Obviously the price of these is insane. In my head they were going to be in the region of 4,000 to 5,000. No, they're north of 6,000, nearly 7,000, and I just thought that is insane, and it is insane, and it's still insane. So that was the first reason. The second reason that I passed on the first pre-orders was the colour. There was the red, there was the green, there was a yellow, I think there was a blue, and then there was the brown. Much as I do like red, and I do like the green, and I did like the blue, they just didn't speak to me. They just didn't. It wasn't something that I just felt I had to have, so that saved me. It saved me. Then the second drop came, and I did see this colour. So this was the second drop. So in this drop there was also the purple. I can't remember what else there was. It might have been when there was the fuchsia pink, but they only did that in the bigger one. And straight away I was, much as I do like purple, and I do, for some reason the purple and the white with the vachetta didn't work for me, whereas this colour just works so well with the vachetta, in my humble opinion. So I was very tempted, but again, it was just so much money, I left it. And I thought, I will wait and just see if something else comes out in the future. Anyway, fast forward to about 3 weeks ago, where my gorgeous SA James, he knew that I did like them, but as I say, I didn't put a pre-order in. And then we were chatting about it, and I just said, I sort of feel like I missed out on this one because I think this is the best colour. And he said, well, we get them occasionally, but obviously the first run or the second run has actually happened now, but we do still get an odd one here and there. So do you want to put your name down? It's not as like a wish list as such, and not paying a deposit for it, but just like show your intention that, you know, if one comes along you might be interested. So ages and ages ago I had done that, and I'd sort of forgotten about it, and then about 3 weeks ago James messaged and said one's coming. One's coming, and one purple and one turquoise was coming to London. And he said, what do you think? And I said, oh dear, oh dear. The answer is yes, send it to me. So yeah, and then obviously it's been made and then sent from Paris, and then it arrived in London, and then it's been sent up to me. Oh, so I just absolutely adore it. So to James, thank you so much for helping me get my hands on this. It is insanely beautiful, and both Amelia and Meredith have both said numerous times that, yeah, once you touch the leather of this, there's no going back, and it is very true. It is just stunning. It is absolutely stunning. So I am thrilled to bits, absolutely thrilled to bits. Can't wait to start using it. So let me know, guys, was this a shocker? I've also something coming in the new year and then I need to put myself on pause. I really do, but anyway, I've got something else coming in the new year. So there we have it, my absolutely gorgeous Speedy P9. Let me know down below what you think of it. Have I gone mad? Have I done the right thing? Am I going to regret it? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on another one.